Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the Einstein Copilot in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup and we will find this by clicking on this gear icon. We click on Setup and from here, we need just to search for our Einstein AI. So now in the quick find, we need just to search for the agents so we can let's just search for agents. And basically, if you don't find the agents in the setup, you will need to verify that Einstein is enabled for your organization. That means you will need to see the pricing for your Salesforce and make sure that you are able to uh, use the Einstein AI. And basically, after that, you will be able to start creating agents and use the generative AI to start using it. So now, after you enable the Einstein AI, you will need just to start using it like in the different forms or in the different places of the application. So as you can see, there is the Einstein search where you can start uh, having your search manager to start using your Einstein AI to start searching. Also, you can use it for the email insights. You can also have some Einstein cells to be able to automate some things. Also, in the Einstein platform, you will be able to start managing your Copilot in your Salesforce platform. And also, you can find this Service Cloud Einstein Assessor, and you can be able to enable it after having your access for these copilots. And of course, there are the many services where you can use uh, the cloud Einstein. All you need to do is just to have the right plan, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.